Have you ever found yourself dreaming of a life of abundance, where money worries are a thing of the past? Well, today, we're about to unlock the secrets to achieving just that, all inspired by the visionary wisdom of David Bach and his groundbreaking book, The Automatic Millionaire. Welcome, Wealthway enthusiasts, to a journey that promises to transform your financial future. Get ready to embark on a thrilling adventure through the corridors of financial mastery, where every nugget of insight brings you closer to your millionaire dreams. And hey, if you're enjoying this content and craving more financial empowerment, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and shower us with likes to spread the word to fellow wealth enthusiasts. 1. Challenge the income myth. Alright, let's debunk one of the biggest misconceptions out there. The idea that earning more automatically equals getting richer. It's like a financial fairy tale we've been sold. But David Bach flips the script on this. Seriously, take a moment to reflect. Are you swimming in more cash now compared to a decade ago? Chances are, not really. The real deal here is acknowledging that your current paycheck is more than enough to start building that wealth fortress. It's not about earning more. It's about mastering what you already have. You see, David challenges this old school belief that a bigger paycheck automatically means more money in the bank. But let's be real, if you're not managing what you've got now, what makes you think more money will solve everything? It's time to shift the mindset from I need to earn more to I need to manage better. And trust me, that shift can be revolutionary. It's about realizing that regardless of your paycheck size, the potential for wealth is already within your grasp. So let's stop chasing the elusive pot of gold at the end of the rainbow and start making magic with what's already in our hands. 2. The Latte Factor. It's not about coffee. Now, before you scoff at the thought of sacrificing your beloved morning brew, hear me out. We're not about to go on a caffeine detox here. David's Latte Factor isn't just about lattes. It's about uncovering those sneaky little expenses we brush off. Picture this, $5 a day on coffee and snacks might seem innocent, but those pennies add up, my friend. It's about realizing that it's not just the lattes draining our wallets. It's the small, unnoticed leaks that sabotage our financial ship. So let's dive into the real essence of the Latte Factor. It's about shining a light on those tiny yet consistent expenses that quietly eat away at our wealth potential. Whether it's your daily latte, a quick snack, or those impulse purchases, these seemingly insignificant spends have a big impact over time. But fear not, because by identifying and redirecting these funds, we can set sail towards a brighter financial future. It's not about deprivation. It's about making mindful choices and channeling those savings into investments that truly matter. 3. The power of small savings. Alright, buckle up, because we're about to shatter the myth that saving small amounts won't make a dent in your financial journey. David's got a mind-blowing example up his sleeve. Investing just $5 a day with a modest 10% return can snowball into a jaw-dropping $1.2 million over the years. Yep, you heard that right. Those little daily contributions can lead to big-time wealth accumulation. Now, your Latte Factor might not be coffee-related at all. Maybe it's those pricey bottled waters, a pack of cigarettes, or even your weekly fast food fix. The key is recognizing these money drains and redirecting them towards building your financial empire. And here's the kicker. It's not about depriving yourself of life's little pleasures. It's about making strategic choices that align with your long-term goals. So next time you're tempted to splurge on that impulse buy, pause for a moment and consider the bigger picture. By channeling those small savings into investments, you're not just securing your financial future, you're taking a proactive step towards financial freedom. Remember, every penny counts on the road to wealth. so let's make them work for us. 4. Time, the silent wealth builder. Now, let me introduce you to the unsung hero of wealth accumulation, time. Prepare to have your mind blown as we delve into a fascinating graph that illustrates the profound impact of time on investing. Picture this: Billy, Susan, and Kim, each investing $3,000 annually. Despite Kim's longer investment period and larger contributions, it's Billy who emerges as the ultimate winner. Why? Because he started investing earlier. The graph is a game changer, especially for our younger viewers. So, what's the takeaway here? Time is not just money, it's the ultimate wealth builder. By starting early and harnessing the power of compounding, you can turbocharge your wealth accumulation journey. Whether you're in your teens, 20s, or beyond, now is the perfect time to take that first step towards financial freedom. So don't wait another moment. Seize the opportunity to sow the seeds of wealth today and watch them grow into a bountiful harvest tomorrow. 5. Pay yourself first, the golden rule. Alright, let's talk about the golden rule of personal finance. Paying yourself first. Picture this: before you even think about paying bills or splurging on that fancy dinner, you prioritize yourself. It's like giving your future self a high five and saying, "Hey, I got your back." Governments figured this out ages ago. They snag their share of your paycheck before it even lands in your pocket. Now, it's your turn to adopt this savvy strategy. But here's the kicker: we humans aren't exactly known for our stellar budgeting skills. It's like trying to count calories on a cheat day. We start off strong, but before we know it, we're knee-deep in pizza. That's where automation swoops in to save the day. Trust me, trying to manually save each month is a recipe for disaster. By automating your savings, you remove the temptation to skimp on your future self. It's like putting your finances on autopilot and cruising towards your financial goals without breaking a sweat. So remember, when it comes to paying yourself first, automate like your financial future depends on it, because it does. And there you have it, the secrets of the Automatic Millionaire. We've debunked the income myth, explored the power of small savings, and emphasized the importance of time and automation. If you want to take control of your financial destiny, start by identifying your Latte Factor, pay yourself first, and automate your savings. Now, go out there and pave your way to financial freedom. As we wrap up another episode of Wealth Way, we're grateful for your company. We hope the financial wisdom shared here today aids you on your wealth building quest. If you found value in this video, don't forget to hit the like button and join our community by subscribing. For any questions or insights you'd like to share, the comments section is all yours. Until our next meeting, keep chasing your financial dreams, because on Wealth Way, we believe your wealth is just around the corner.